Welcome all. Welcome to this new part 22. In each part, we are discussing 10 questions related to piping engineering, which are generally asked in the interviews. So let us see what are these 10 questions which we are going to cover in this part. What are T-type strainers? What is its main function and application? Okay, can we install it in vertical? Can we use T-type strainer in lines which are less than 2 inch? What is the location of drain on removal flange? What is the function of differential pressure? Okay, what are conical type strainers? What is the main function and application of conical type strainer? Can we install conical type strainer in vertical? What is the main benefit of conical type strainer as compared to other type of strainers? So these are few of the basic questions related to T-type strainer, conical strainer, which every piping engineer should know. Any of the interviewer can ask such question in an interview. All these questions are answered in detail in answer part. Playlist is a very good tool which is provided by YouTube for all the YouTube channels. On this platform of oil and gas fundas, we have so many playlists with us just to organize the content in a systematic manner. Many playlists are created. For example, the consolidated list where all the videos available on this channel are there. Then many topics we covered: pump piping, compressor piping, pipe rack piping. All those topics we discussed in length. All those small short videos, long video, everything we have created in a playlist form. So you can always look into the playlist and check out how many topics, what kind of topics we have covered. Then we discussed the 2-minute Funda series, 150 plus videos are there. So all are consolidated in the form of that playlist. Many codes and standard API, ASME clauses we discussed. All are organized in a systematic manner in the form of playlists. Then recently we completed our piping certification course details. That is also covered in the form of playlist. It is available on this channel. Then other self-improvement topics, for example, how to write a covering letter, how to write an email. Many videos are there on those topics. So those are also uh, consolidated in the form of playlists. Now this is a new series where we are going to discuss interview questions related to piping engineering. We are going to cover 10 questions per video. Again, there will be a playlist available on this channel. You can always go through that to go into content. So this is a very good tool organized in a systematic manner. Don't miss, many more videos will be there and those all will be consolidated in the form of playlists. So this is again a very good tool. Don't miss. Keep watching. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.